Welcome to Tips Ki TOKRI, bite-sized tips from librarians for librarians to energize your library space.
Librarian Didi, the children in my library sometimes manhandle books. At times the pages tear or the binding doesn't hold. Is there something I can do?
That's a common problem. Have you tried setting up a book hospital? Let's learn from Miss Dipali Sawant, a teacher at a primary school in Wardha, how she has done this.
Hello. Today I created a new post on how to set up a book hospital. I wanted to make a video about it. This is our small school library in my classroom. The children can browse through the books and borrow them daily. There is a register. They maintain the library and the register. They take their books and put them back. They are carrying out the responsibility at the moment. They have given the main responsibility to two girls. Now, here's something I want to tell you that is important. If these books tear or need repairs, we have a book hospital in our library. Can you see it? We have decorated it and we have kept Fevicol, tape, scissors and other necessary materials here. And we've made it a practice with the children that while reading, if the books get torn or spoiled, then we have given this initiative called Book Hospital because torn and spoiled books are like patients, and the unwell books are brought to the hospital and these are the doctors. The readers also play the role of doctors, and when they have time, those who are interested can do. Actually, all children like to do this and take care of the books. The children put covers on these books. There are some torn books, they are covered and the name is written on them because we should know the name of the book after it's covered. In this way, the children take care of the books. The initiative has created a love for books in the children, so we are definitely creating something in their mind. Nihal, will you tell us what this hospital is? What does it mean? When a book is torn, we cover it and we make it as good as new. We make it as good as new. When we make it as good as new, cover it, becomes like new. Wow! And Mahi, what are you doing? When a book has been covered, we won't be able to recognize it. So Mahi then looks inside and writes the title on top. This makes it easy to recognize the book. Then these children will be interested in this book for many days. We are following this method. Many books are not damaged that much while reading. Every child who takes books to read takes a little care of the book.
You don't need any elaborate materials to set up a book hospital. What do you need? Glue, scissors, tape, scrap paper, a small corner or a box. Labels like waiting, under treatment and ready to read. And if you want to make it a little more fun, a white apron or coat or badge for your book doctors. Make it fun. Let children volunteer to be book doctors. Use playful signs like Ward 1, torn pages, or recovery room. Have a Doctor of the Month badge. Ready to start a book hospital in your library? When you do, send us photos of your setup. We'd love to feature them. And if you have tips you've tried and tested in your library, write to us at info@librariansofindia.in.